Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to delete Subway Surfers account using your Android device or your tablets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open Subway Surfers on your device, and once you get to this page, click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. From here, scroll all the way down until you see the Delete My Account button. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, click on the Delete My Account circle over here and click Continue. And then, make sure if you want to proceed. Remember, by proceeding, you'll also be disconnected from your any other social providers and your progress in the game will be kept only to this device. So click on Proceed if you want to do that, and then your request for account deletion will be processed. It may take some time so that the account will be deleted, and after it is done with the deletion, you can easily uninstall Subway Surfers from your device. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.